guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. So on today's episode, I'm gonna be making some 100% fresh and natural carrot juice with honey, lime, and ginger. I have my carrots that I've already washed. I didn't peel them because my granny used to tell me so I peel off the best part of the carrot. So it's totally up to you if you want to peel yours. So let's get started. Let's juice the carrots. Alright, so I'm going to be using a juicer to juice the carrots. So let's get started. Now I'm going to be adding the ginger. Okay, so I've already added the ginger to the carrot juice, so now I'm going to be adding some freshly squeezed lime juice and some honey. First up, the freshly squeezed lime juice. Now I'm going to be adding some honey. You don't have to add honey if you don't want to. And if you're adding the honey, you add to your liking. So it's all done. Now let's serve it. And there you have it, guys. Fresh, natural, healthy, and delicious 100% carrot juice with ginger, lime, and honey. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.